Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. On my right hand is our new products. It's the countertop stylings, the seasoning the containers. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. It's about like a 20.5 inches length. And the depth about like 8.5 inches. Overall height is about like 8 inches total. So we can see for this model, they come in with 3 containers individually. For each of those, they have a small caps, and they do have a spoon from the manufacturer they offer for you. They are the food grades, and we can open the tray. We see the bottoms. They give you the information is 1.6 inches the pokes, and let me get the measurements on it. For the length, they are about like a 6 inches wide, and 6 and 3/4 inches long. The depth about like a 4 inches. All 3 containers the same. And for the bottoms, we still have some space, assuming you can put some like ice at the bottoms and put the sauce on top to keep the flavors. This will be the all demonstration information about these products, and if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.